YouTube, what's good? Today we will be talking about the overhead camera rig or overhead shot done easy. Now you may have seen this shot done by some of your favorite food photographers or maybe even some of your favorite YouTubers. I know that Peter McKinnon, Becky and Chris, as well as Matt D'Avella have all did some type of tutorial or video or look into this shot and how they do it. For me, it'll be done with just a C-stand, very simple, Canon EOS M50, and we're not gonna talk about it no more. We're just gonna get into it. Let's go. Alright, so this is my setup for the overhead rig. We have a C-stand, we have a light also on another C-stand. I have a whiteboard for Phil, which doesn't really have too much to do with the overhead setup, but I am using some wood vinyl panels that I got from Home Depot, and that is used as the, I guess, background for the overhead rig setup. Excuse the mess, but this is the base of the C-stand. So the C-stand has these three like really wide legs. Here's the other legs, three wide legs. I put a sandbag on there because there are some very secure ways to do an overhead rig and some very unsecure ways to do an overhead rig. The good part is that when you put a sandbag, you don't have to worry too much about it tipping over or anything like that, depending on the weight of your camera and your lens that is sitting at the top of the overhead rig. Now, the C-stand, as I was saying, has these three nice sturdy metal legs and good base, which can support all types of weight from that is sitting at many different angles. So that's always a plus. The knuckle bracket, the knuckle bracket for the C-stand, which is holding the pole that holds the camera. Now, the good thing about that is that if you look towards the end of the bracket over here, you can actually mount another one of these knuckles, slide it right into that end, and you can hang a bag from there, a sandbag or some type of weight from there, or you can literally just hang the sandbag over top of this and let it lay over here, which can also add some additional weight and some support. But what I did in order to make sure that the camera is mounted extremely well is, let me see, oh, I'm sorry about that, I need that in focus, is literally just screwed it into that bottom hole that you see at the bottom of the camera. Extremely easy. You don't need any adapters, you don't have to buy any extra pieces. It is an extremely simple setup. Put that on. By the way, my camera is the Canon EOS M50. Literally just screwed it onto that, and now I can just adjust the height however I would like the height to be. So that about wraps this video up. That is all I got on the overhead camera rig done easy. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video or it added some type of value to you. If you do use this method, please drop a comment. I would definitely love to chat about it. Or if you have done something similar, you have a video about it or a different process, drop a comment, we could talk about it. I would love to discuss what different methods are out there. Maybe it's something that's a little bit better than mine, or maybe work in a different situation where I don't have this C-stand. I would definitely appreciate it. If you like the video, please give it a like. If you like this type of content, there will be more coming in the future. So subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you can get notifications whenever a new video of mine drop. That's all I got for today. I'm out. Peace. This gonna be the one. I know this gonna be the one, midget. Tape 33 is gonna be the tape.